Imagine you're at the mall. You suddenly meet an old friend, and later you need help with a problem. Would you know exactly what to say in English? But don't worry. Today, you'll learn 3 short, natural conversations you can actually use in daily life.
No boring textbook sentences, just real English you can use.
So let's jump straight into the first scene. Okay, Alex. In this scene, you're shopping at a mall, and I'm working at the counter. You want to find a jacket in the right size, so listen carefully to how you can ask for it naturally. Ready?
Ready?
Hi, sir. Can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for a jacket. Do you have this in a medium?
Let me check for you. Yes, we have one in the back. I'll go grab it.
Perfect, thanks. Could I try it on?
Sure. The fitting rooms are just over there.
It fits pretty well, but I'm not sure about the color.
We have it in black, too. Would you like to see that one?
Yes, please. Could you bring me a black one?
Of course. I'll be right back.
Okay. So this was a really good conversation.
Yes, Alex. Now, everyone, let's practice the useful phrases from this scene. Do you have this in a medium? And then if you want to try something, then you say, could I try it on? And then if it fits, you say, it fits pretty well. And the last phrase is, I'll be right back.
Excellent. These phrases are useful whenever you're shopping, especially when you need to ask about sizes, colors, or products. Okay, Lily. This time we've just run into each other unexpectedly. You're on your way somewhere, and I'm your old friend. I'll start the conversation, and you'll show everyone how to respond naturally. Ready?
Let's do it.
Wait a second. Is that you, Lily?
Alex, I haven't seen you in ages. What are you doing here?
I was just grabbing a coffee. Actually, I was about to leave.
Really? I was thinking about getting something to eat. Do you have a few minutes?
Yeah, sure. Where do you want to go?
There's a cafe around the corner. I've heard it's really good.
Sounds good to me. Let's go.
By the way, what have you been up to lately?
I've been pretty busy with work, but I'm finally getting some free time.
That's good to hear. We should catch up properly sometime.
Definitely. Let's not leave it so long next time.
Now, let's practice some of the most useful phrases from this conversation. I haven't seen you in ages. I was just grabbing a coffee. I was about to leave. Do you have a few minutes? I can stay for a little while. What have you been up to lately? We should catch up sometime.
Great job. These are natural phrases you can use when you unexpectedly meet someone you know.
Okay, Alex, for our last scene, you're the cafe server and I'm the customer. I'll show you how to ask for a table, make a simple request, and order something naturally. Listen to the first question and think about how you would respond.
Let's start. How many people will be joining you?
Just 2. Could we get a table by the window?
Absolutely. Would you like to sit inside or outside?
Inside, please.
Sure. This way, please.
Thanks. I'm having trouble deciding. Everything looks good.
I know. The sandwiches are really popular here.
In that case, I'll go with the chicken sandwich. And could I get a glass of water, too?
Of course. Anything else?
That's all for now. Thanks.
Here you go. Your order should be ready shortly.
Perfect. Thanks for your help. Now, repeat these useful phrases with me. Could we get a table by the window? Would you like to sit inside or outside? I'm having trouble deciding. I'll go with the chicken sandwich. Could I get a glass of water, too? That's all for now.
Fantastic! Now you have useful English for shopping, meeting friends, and ordering at a cafe.
And notice something important. In all 3 situations, we didn't need complicated English. We used short phrases, but they were natural phrases that people actually use.
The next time you're shopping, meeting a friend, or sitting in a cafe, try using one of these phrases. That's how you turn English practice into real English speaking.
Keep practicing. And for more such lessons, subscribe to the English Time. We'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.